Hello and welcome to our Data Madness, and this is going to be on history's famous people. Our dataset is collected by the Pantheon project and it is on historical figures. The main attributes which are important for us are the continent, the country. Those two are determined using modern borders, the occupation and the industry of the historic figure, the year of birth, the number of views that this historic figure has on Wikipedia, and the historical popularity index, which is computed using the number of languages in which the Wikipedia article exists, the number of views in other languages, and the age of the historic figure. Our main questions are: what makes you famous? What are differences between locations and other attributes? And what biases in the dataset can we find? So these are the famous people by continent, and here already we can see a very clear bias towards Europe and North America. This can be explained by Europe's vast historic record and by North America's modern domination of media. Next we have the averages by continent, first the historical popularity index, which is fairly evenly distributed among the continents, and next to that the average Wikipedia page views, which are dominated by North America. This can be explained by the fact that modern characters in general tend to have more views, and most Americans do fall into that modern category. If we look at the historical popularity index, however, we can see that it decreases for more modern figures. From this we can conclude that the birth year is quite significant for the historical popularity index. We can also see that the percentage of women increases over time, especially in modern times. For the correlations of the numerical data, we can see that the article languages are positively correlated with page views and the historical popularity index. Furthermore, as we saw before, the age and the historical popularity index are also correlated positively. For the categorical data, it is interesting to note that the city seems to be a good indicator for the occupation, industry, and domain. To conclude, we can say that the age is a positive factor on the historical popularity and a negative factor on the views. The number of women increases in historic record. There is a European historic record bias and an American view bias, and the city is a good indicator for domain and its subcategories.